$100 million.
What?
Because I like my room.
Where get that? It's 1 out of 10. So you choose a number between 1 and 10. How much you give the room, CG?
100.
100?
Yeah, $100.
So in this video, we're gonna walk you through how we turn this empty space to looking something like this. I like these cool gel mattresses, so I'll be going with them for the kids' bed as well. The carpet was very dirty, so I had to go over it a couple of times just to get it to a decent condition. So it was delivery day and we should be getting 2 sets of twin size beds. This should include a trundle where one of the beds will be used as a storage. You guys ready to set up the bed?
Yeah!
You see your daddy clean up the carpet? Says
Yay!
Everything is yay?
Yeah.
You guys so excited for your room?
Yay!
Good thing that you guys didn't trouble the mattresses. Else, if you had let it drop on you, it would have been a whole catastrophe. Alright, we have the boxes, so let's get to work.
Yay!
So one thing I will always have are tools. So the first thing we're going to take on are the cubby headboard. Me and my little soldiers, they're so excited, always asking when we're going to set it up. But one thing with these packages, they have so many things inside of them. I guess it's for support. You guys enjoying setting up the bed?
Yay!
Alright, now we're going to unpack the rails for the beds, alright?
Yeah, because it can... so we can sleep.
You're going to sleep on it tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully we get it done.
Yay!
So we moved on to the twin rails. Had to be unpacking a lot of stuff. Look at all that paperwork. And look at the soldiers go, as they're the ones who are taking out the garbage after I'm done. So now we're on to the footboard. So far we have the headboard, the rail, and the footboard. So 3 components just to get one bed set up. But we keep on working and the kids keep on assisting. So all these items right here
For the bed.
will make up one bed. What is it for, Chinardia?
All these items are for the bed.
Alright. And we can't do without our instructions paper.
All these items are for the
Well,
bed.
we can do without it, but it will take much longer.
The number are
So-
4.
Goodlitt always depending on his instruction paper. Yeah, man. Follow it to the T so that our items can put together as professionally
Wait.
as it can be.
And this.
Okay, baby. So it's time for the actual installation right now. Everything is in place, so it should be a smooth job. But yeah, as you all know, there's always some hiccups here and there. But the headboard is done. Going on to the footboard and the side rails. Coming on really good. Beautiful. Alright, one bed down. One more to go.
Yeah.
How do you like it? Come over here. How do you like that bed? That one is for you, CG. You can jump onto it.
What? But you said this is my bed.
No, baby, your one is gonna be right here, and it's gonna have the drawer.
The
CG,
jar?
you like it?
I like it too.
Show me a flick. Show me a flick. Come off his bed, Chinardia. Let me see him do a jump. Give me a jump. Let me see. Or don't vomit. You just eat. Show me a jump.
I almost fall.
Show me what Spider-Man do.
Um.
Jump and bounce. Jump on your back now.
What?
Alright.
That's my turn.
No, Chinardia, let's work on the other bed. Alright, get a jump quickly.
Spider-Man do like this. Spider-Man. I love Spider-Man.
Alright, let's go to the other one. So with one bed set up, we should know exactly what we need to do right now. So this one should go fairly quickly. Everyone was working well together, even though those kids were playing on the other bed, up and over, under, all about. But we kept on working. Lots of scraps, lots of screwing. Good thing I have that drill, as it really made my life easier. Alright.
Yeah.
So we made some progress.
Yeah, and we can go under the bed.
Yeah, so remember, there's gonna be like a section under your bed where you can store stuff. So Daddy's gonna get that right now. I had to raise CG bed because when it was on the lowest bracket here, was too low.
And
So I had to
put
rise
it
it.
up, we put it up higher.
Yes, baby. Alright, let's get going. Let's finish the other part. So the trundle will be going under Chinardia's bed, as she's the older of the two. And also, she thinks she's the boss, or wants to lead CG. So the trundle was coming along well. Had a lot of components, so had to read the instructions well just to figure it out. Now for us to get it underneath that bed. Good thing I had enough space, but it worked out beautifully. And just look at that.
And jump!
Hey boy, Daddy got the job done. This is what you two gonna do.
Yeah, we got to know this. Like we are flying.
Go and tell mommy to put on the sheets and make them look like Spider-Man and the princess now.
No, unicorn.
Unicorn?
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy get some good mattress. These ones are cushiony and soft, right?
Yeah. They're very soft.
You
And
gonna
we can sleep in it.
come. Remember, this is where you're gonna put your toys.
Huh?
Over here.
Where's he move?
You just pull it out like this,
Wait.
and you
Let me
have
see again.
and you have a lot of storage. Pull it all the way out, and then when you're done, you pull it in back in. Beautiful. You see how it works? Push it in some more. Push it in a little bit more. Push all the way. That's it. So you and CG, see, look, open it again.
Okay.
Open it with that. Open it. You and CG can open it. Pull the other side, CG. Pull it. So you can take one side and CG take the other side. So we didn't put one in CG bed because it wouldn't work.
It would work.
Yeah. So you have to put, both of you have to coordinate and push it back. Push it back in, alright?
Yes. And Sky, and picture me, Daddy. Picture me. And Sky see videos. Make sure you ring the bell. Bye.
No, it's not by yet. We have to put on the sheets and show the transformation.
Oh.
So mommy needs to
I
get
forgot
this.
my prayer.
So mommy need to get the. Mommy need to go and get the sheets now.
The sheet now.
Alright, so go and tell her to get them.
Bye.
Not bye, tell her to get the
Okay,
sheets.
I say a little bit. Bye.
So it was time for mom to get involved, as she will be putting all the goodies, all the spider sheets, all the unicorn sheets, as those are what the kids wanted for their beds, and look at it, looking beautiful. Working with the team, looking really well. Why do you guys love standing at attention?
It's because that's how.
You ready to see it?
Yes.
Alright, no peeking. Put your hands over your eyes. Alright, don't open them. Come inside. It's not ready yet, but it's good enough so far. So you stand right here. You stand right there. CG, you come and stand right here. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Look at it.
Wow! Unicorn! I told you It
What?
smells good.
It smell good?
Chicken.
What, mommy tricked you that she was buying a different sheet?
Ooh.
What did mommy tell you, Chinardia?
I don't know.
You don't remember? That.
I love this bed. For real.
Say thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy.
So daddy's gonna put up some frames when the frames come, and we're gonna put up your own light in here, so it's nice. Go under your sheets, let me see. Go under your sheet like CG.
Whoa! The sheet looks like Batman.
You like all the Spider-Man?
Yeah. And the sheet got all the unicorn too. Boy! I'm gonna stay in this bed forever. I'm gonna stay in forever.
You're gonna spend it forever too, Papa?
Stop.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is it morning?
What you said?
It's morning, that Scotty videos. Press the ring button. Bye.
It's not by us yet.
Turn on the lamp.
We have to show the final thing with the frames and everything, so we're just gonna wait for that as well, alright?
And the dresser.
Yeah.
And also your dresser. So this time the furniture coming from Ashley. Here are some frames that Chinardo requested and also CG Spider-Man. So unpacking the dresser, I had to run in this roadblock. Crack, crack, crack. Man, I had to pack it up back, ask for an exchange. But in the meantime, I just got those frames put up. Kids anxiously waiting. Good thing I had that mechanical engineering skill. And look how it came out, looking wonderful, all level, balanced. And look how their room looks in the night, colorful. So after roughly 10 to 15 business days, they finally came back with the exchange. Had them open it this time as I want to ensure that it wasn't damaged and I didn't waste my time. So taking it out the same day as well to do further inspection. This thing was heavy, man. But it was looking good. Didn't see anything to make note of. Beautiful color to match the other furniture. And as you can see, no cracks this time. On both sides, no cracks. So let me just put on these handles quickly. Easy 1-2 job. Doing it on my lunch break. Because I was working at this time. But this is a beautiful dresser. It's heavy though. Hopefully these kids don't hurt themselves on it. Look at them already. Playing with all those drawers. They better not give me any repairs to do. But Goodlitt, ah boy, you on these heavy loads. CG better hurry and grow up so you can help me. Man, this thing was heavy. Didn't want to hurt my back, so I ensured I bent those broken knees and took my time and set it how I wanted it on the carpet. But yeah, man, everything all positioned. Work in progress, as I know Kim will be doing much more with this room. A lot more accessories. Kids, how are you guys liking the room?
Yay!
Talk to the camera for me, baby. Chinardia, look at me.
Wait.
What kind of mess are you doing here?
I'm doing this and I'm fixing it up.
Do you like your bed? Do you spread it up in the morning?
Yeah. We spread it up all day. So we don't make it messy for 100 million days.
CG, how do you like your room? You like your Spider-Man stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like my unicorn.
Your hair needs to wash, boy.
I love one.
So great. Look at me, Chinardia. Grade your room out of
I
10.
like my unicorn room.
How much do you grade the room out of 10?
I'll give my room for $100 million.
What?
Because I like my room.
Where you get that? It's 1 out of 10. So you choose a number between 1 and 10. How much you give the room, CG?
100.
100?
Yeah, $100. I would give the bed 10 out of 10.
That's the answer. Alright. How much you give the room?
10 out of 10.
Alright. Your following sister. Good boy. Champion. So, alright, guys. The video is finished now. And Daddy set up the room, okay? Daddy set up the room. So you guys take care of everything and don't mess it up, alright?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, CG.
Bye.